Hello, today I'm going to take you through how you can download Instagram on your PC or laptop. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to the Microsoft Store. So here I am in the Microsoft Store right here. Now once the interface has loaded, you are just going to search for Instagram. So here I have my Instagram app. So once this is loaded, you want to click on get. So in some instances, it might ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. So if you have a Microsoft account, you can just sign in, but if you don't have some, you can quickly go ahead and create it. And also, in most instances, also it will go ahead and download it directly for you. So you can see it's downloaded for me now. So I'm going to click now as well. I'm going to click on open. So right here, this is my Instagram app now. So if I close this, now you are going to have these settings that comes here that you want to pin to start, you want to pin to the pin to start, pin to taskbar, you want to create a desktop shortcut, do you want auto start on your device login. So these are depending on based on what you want. So based on what you want, if you want to pin to start, I will definitely want to pin to start. I'll definitely want to pin to taskbar. I'll definitely want to create a desktop shortcut. So I'm going to allow. So now if I should close this, now I have my Instagram on my desktop and also on my taskbar. Now if I go to start to, I have my Instagram right here. So those are the options we checked on the Instagram. So if I should come back and double click and open, now here is Instagram right here. So now you can now sign in with your username and your Instagram password, or you can even directly create an Instagram account if you don't have some. So this is how to download Instagram on PC. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in another video.